Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Wi-Fi settings on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the settings, locate and click on General. Once you selected General, scroll down the General page and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then go ahead and click on Reset. Here, locate and click on Reset Network Settings. And then you spot that says enter your passcode. Now go ahead, type in your passcode. And then you should say enter your screen time passcode. Go ahead and type in your screen time passcode. And that is it. Then you should spot that says Reset Network Settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So if you want to proceed, just go ahead and click on Reset Network Settings and then you're good. This will not erase your iPhone, but we only reset the network settings back to default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.